In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the YouTube video unavailable error. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and go to the address bar. I type in youtube.com and press enter to load the page. If YouTube isn't loading videos properly or showing an error, one common fix is clearing your browsing data. To do this, I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Then, I go down and click on Settings. Once the Settings page loads, I head over to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up menu appears, and I make sure the time range is set to all time. I check the options for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then click the Delete Data button at the bottom right. Once that process completes, I close the Settings tab. Another possible issue could be browser extensions interfering with YouTube. To check your extensions, click on Extensions from the left panel in Settings. Here, I see an active VPN extension. I click the toggle switch to disable it, or you can click Remove if you don't need it. Disabling problematic extensions or VPNs often resolves video loading issues. Now, let's close these tabs and open a new incognito window to test. I click the three dots at the top right again and select New Incognito window. In the incognito address bar, I type in youtube.com and hit enter. I click on the YouTube search result link to load the homepage. Running YouTube in incognito mode helps verify if the issue was related to your signed-in account or cached browser settings. If you need to sign back in, click the Sign In button on the left sidebar or top right, type in your email address, click Next, enter your password, and click Next again. If you are still experiencing connectivity issues, checking your network connection is the next best step. Down in the Windows taskbar, I click on the network icon near the system tray. I click the arrow next to the Wi-Fi icon to view available networks. Here, I can see my connected network. To refresh the connection, I select another available network, click Connect, and let it reconnect. Switching networks or restarting your Wi-Fi connection ensures your internet connection is stable and properly routing traffic to YouTube. Following these simple troubleshooting steps will help resolve the YouTube video unavailable error so you can get back to watching your favorite content smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.